Hey, what's up everybody? It's Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we're doing a quick unboxing and overview of the SIG MCX-Spear LT conversion kit bundle. I know, quite the mouthful there. With that, let's go ahead and get this out of the package and see what all comes with it. So it does come in a rather large box as seen here, and let's go ahead and open it up. It almost looks like a whole MCX-Spear could be in here if they wanted, but when we remove the foam, you can see that all of our goodies are lightly placed in here. Let's get all these out on the table and see what comes with it. Got everything out of the package here and it's on the table here, so let's go over everything that comes with it. First and foremost is the upper. And guys, I think this looks sweet. You have that burnt bronze, or they call it FDE, with the black on this. And then they also give you the Romeo 4 XT Pro in the FDE, which we'll get to that here in a sec. And I think this color scheme just looks sick. This is a 16-inch barrel on this, so you don't have to worry about SBRing or any of that. You can go ahead and pop this on any lower that you have and you're good to go. It does come with a SIG muzzle device, and this is ready for the SIG suppressor. So if you have one of those, this will go right on. But I don't have one of those, so I'll actually be swapping this for a dead air muzzle device to add a dead air suppressor on this. The nice thing about this though is that it is 1/2x28 threads, so you can take this off and swap it like I said I'm gonna do. So it's not pinned or weld on or anything crazy like that. This does have an adjustable gas block, you can see right here. So when you do add a suppressor on it, you're gonna have that ability to adjust that. Moving to the back then, it does have a dust cover. You do have the bolt carrier inside, as well as a charging handle, and this is the rest of the bolt carrier. All inside that comes with it. The charging handle is SIG Sauer's charging handle for the Spear. Nothing fancy here. It is ambidextrous for both sides. The upper does have a forward assist built in, as you can see right here. Another thing to note on the handguard already pre-installed is the SIG Sauer vertical foregrip. And I'm actually gonna leave this one on here. It looks pretty solid, so I'll give that a go. And with that, that'll round out most of the features on the upper. Other things that are included then is the SIG Spear buttstock. You can see that this is adjustable. You can push here, slide it back, and it has a couple different positions that you can utilize. To attach this, it is a 1913 pick rail mount, so that's what this will go to. And in order to put this on your lower, they do give you the adapter piece. And the super cool thing about this, and why I picked this up, is that you can use any AR-15 M4 lower with this conversion kit. You remove the buffer tube on it and you add this piece instead on the back. It'll allow you to then add this buttstock with no buffer tube on the back, because the SIG Spear does not require a buffer tube. And then with your AR-15 lower, you could have a full SIG Spear for basically a fraction of the price of a brand new Spear. Overall, I'm pretty amazed with this bundle here, and we haven't even got to the best part, which is the optic. So the optic that comes on it, as mentioned, is the SIG Sauer Romeo 4 XT Pro. About 6 months ago, I picked up this same exact optic for comparison to like an EOTech and a bunch of other red dots on the market, and this thing is freaking cool. A lot of military people are using these now for a lot of different reasons, and from testing this, I can tell you there's only one downside to this optic, and that is switching to night vision and daytime. So on top here, it does have night vision capabilities. So you'd click that button, it would go to a very dim setting so you can use it under nods. But then when you turn night vision off, rather than going back to whatever brightness setting you had, let's say like brightness setting 3, it'll actually go back to brightness setting 10, which is just super bright. So you got to quickly hit night vision and then hit down, 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 down. Other than that though, this thing is awesome. Definitely duty rated, all that good stuff. You can watch some other videos on it, but 10 out of 10 recommend this optic. And above all, the best part is that it does run on AAA batteries, which is super common, and if the apocalypse happens, you can definitely find AAA batteries. So love that. Other thing to note with the red dot and things that come with it, I did take off the bikini there, so it does come with that, but they give you some other attachments to put on it. And I thought it was interesting with this conversion bundle here. I thought the red dot would come separate in its own package, but it came, as you saw, right on the upper, ready to go. And then all these other pieces, they just put in a bag in the box, so you can utilize them if you want. But when I originally got my black 4 XT Pro, obviously that came in a normal box, and all this stuff was in there. So just different packaging. Maybe that's how they're cutting costs and giving you a better deal. Things that do come with it here, and I do recommend putting this on, you have a kill flash for the front. So all you have to do is remove this front. You can see that we do have the plastic lens cover right now. So you just got to remove this, and then you can put the kill flash on. And then the other thing they have is a flip up if you wanted to use this on the front. So basically blocking that when you're not using it. The only downside is you can't use these in tandem together. So you got to pick, do you want kill flash or do you want some kind of lens cover? Other thing that comes with it is a higher mount here, and I am gonna put this on. I did on my other setup too, just to raise this up a little bit higher because I do like my red dots mounted a little bit higher than what's currently on there. And then other things you get is your screws, wrench, all that stuff to attach it, swap it out. And this is actually a pretty nifty tool here where you can use this for windage elevation and for torquing it down to the actual rail. But then also you can put this piece right in the end, and this is a T10 screwdriver. So if you need to use that, you have a T10 screwdriver ready to go. So pretty cool. Recommend keeping that on hand. Also got a cleaning cover and the owner manual for your 4XT Pro as well. When I saw this conversion bundle deal, I jumped on this right away, purchased it myself, and this is a great way to take any AR-15 lower and convert it to a Spear for, again, a fraction of the price, and plus it comes with the red dot. The normal Spear does not. This thing alone is well over $500, so huge value there. Anyways, hopefully this was helpful for you. If it was, like and subscribe. As mentioned, we'll have more videos on this coming soon, so stay tuned. Thanks, everybody.